I'm back with another mukbang, truck bang challenge. Come get you some. Bussin', 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 bussin'. We finna get it in. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. Hey, Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. Bussin', 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 bussin'.
Good Lord.
Bussin', bussin'.
That smoke flavor that you're savoring.
Amen. I'm back with another challenge. I ain't happy about this, but I'm gonna pay my respect. I'm gonna be as positive about this as I can. Yo, we got Soulful Eats Wheel of Mukbang Challenge to celebrate and commemorate her 3,000 subscribers. This challenge got me thinking she got 300,000. She better check them analytics. She needs to check them, because there's a lot going on right here. Kinfolk, I waited till I can't wait no more. My word is my bond, because I promised her I would do it, even though, we're going to talk about that later. I promised her I'd do it, because she did my pancake challenge. She was the first one to do it, and I got about like 5, 6 more people to do it, 7, 8 more people to do it. So I figured I owe her one. I figured wrong, but we're gonna celebrate her 3,000 subscribers by doing the Wheel of Mukbang, where for the first step, the first turn, this don't turn. You know I be messing up mukbang, so I'm really tiptoeing through this. You gotta eat 3 mozzarella sticks in 1 minute. Second, you gotta eat 3 flat chicken wings in 2 minutes. With the sauce, with the mozzarella sticks, you gotta eat with chopsticks. And the third, you gotta eat a taco and make it in 3 minutes. That's the eating. That's the time portion of the game show. If you feel me, okay. Now this part where she pissed me off, and I'm sorry, but parents and guardians, it just might be some cussing. I'm sorry, it just might be some cussing here. So, you know, parental guidance is very much suggested. I ain't gonna lie to you. And then we got alcohol in here, so you know, drum man tell the truth. Now this part features the nastiness. You gotta eat 1 sour pickle ball. It come with 4. I seen 4 in here. I had to look at the video again. I think she just ate 1 now, because if you have to eat more than 1, I'm gonna tell her to go to hell. Anyway, you gotta eat 1 of them. I'm sorry, I let that slip. I'm sorry. And the second stage of the nastiness part, which ain't really nasty to me, because that crown apple hit quite nice. You gotta drink 2 shots. I don't know if these 1 shots or 2. We finna see after the first one. And the third and final portion of this, you gotta eat crickets. Who in there thought of a flavor cricket? People over there. And people over there across that water, that's who thought of it. We got sour cream. See my fingernail. We got salt and vinegar. Why they just can't make potato chips then? Why you gotta put bugs with it? They're like big sophisticated roaches. They're just sophisticated roaches. And we got bacon and cheese, like Pinocchio. That cricket wasn't nothing but a sophisticated roach. I don't know what his name was, Jiminy Cricket? Why you just keep out? I'm pretty sure it's gonna be some more cussing. By the time I get here, it's gonna be some more cussing. So we finna get right on into it. I got my watch for the 1 minute, but I really don't care. I'm just keeping my word. If I do it, I do it. If I don't, stay safe, stay blessed, stay kinfolk. I'm gone. You hear me? I got quite a conundrum of drinks over here. I got a pink lemonade, strawberry, and a half drink Mountain Dew and a half white grape. Because I don't know how much liquid I'm gonna need. Coldest water bottle, link in the description. Use Lilgilmoeats discount code. You save 10% off your top picture, whatever. I ain't seen nobody else do it. I searched the internet all day. Well, I say, honest man can't live on YouTube. Honest man can't live on YouTube because they take it back. I'm for real. Y'all think I'm joking. I'm dead serious. I wanted to cuss right then, but I stopped myself. I just want to live, man. Y'all got me doing this book. Not y'all. I ain't mad at all y'all. So for each, wait, hold on. Timer. I don't care. It's probably cold. I don't care. We gonna go 1 minute. 1 minute if 1 minute for 3 mozzarella sticks. Let me tell you this, boy. I bet her husband happily married, cause that's one talented throat. I said it. I was thinking about not saying it, but if you can eat these 3 mozzarella sticks in 1 minute, boy, I bet your husband be walking around the house always and forever. Each moment with you. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make some enemies with this one. Let me give him chopsticks. And I'm gonna press that button. I don't care. Oh, he's so. Oh, let me send him grace, son, because I'm gonna need it. Come get you some. Get it. Get it all. Jesus' name. Amen. Okay. And it's a lot of stuff that went wrong in the making of this video. And I could care less. I really could. I could care less. Okay, I went and got some marinara from Sam's because I went and got the mozzarella sticks from Sam's because Faith liked cheese sticks. So I say, all right, it would be nice for me, her daddy, to just get her the rest of these cheese sticks. They ain't had no marinara in the box. That's how they get you. They say you all them cheese sticks. You know I ain't never mad like this. They say you all them cheese sticks, but don't put marinara. So I got some salsa in there. All I gotta do is dip it in the salsa, and I'm gonna use the rest of the salsa for the taco, and that's it. And that's what it is. Y'all say what you want to say about it. I did it, and I did it. I don't care. Hey, mom and daddy. I'm sorry. Dang. Ready? Set. You ain't supposed to touch my stick until I don't care about that. Go. I don't care even if I finish it. This gonna be a man of my. Maybe I should have canned if it was cold. Okay. Sounds good. You eat 3 mozzarella sticks in 1 minute, you're in the wrong profession. Girl, you got talent. You hear me? That means you get everything you want. I warned y'all before I started doing this. Good Lord. Ooh. I need another Mountain Dew. It's late. That's why I started drinking the Mountain Dew. Cause it's late. Now, and chicken, tell you what you want to about the chicken. I just went in the freezer department, got some little drumettes, wingettes, And it wasn't nothing but 3 flats in the pack. Ain't got time for it. There's a lot, man. There's a lot going on. But congratulations, Sofa Eats. And you got to say, clean the bone when you finish with the chicken. Ready? Oh, I forgot the dang on thumbnail. Oh, whatever. Faye! Hey, bring me 3 of your cheese sticks. And I'm gonna give them right back, okay? Okay, I'm gonna give them right back. Stay right there. Okay? What was that? Come now. I feel a little bit or two. Faye went and got me some more mozzarella sticks. It's just too much. It's a lot. It's a lot. Hey, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I did the thumbnail. Faye brought me some of her mozzarella sticks. See, Nico, you said it was late. Yeah, it's late. Don't judge me. And you got to say clean the bone every time you do it. Yeah, it just go. Clean the bone. Clean the bone. Clean the bone. And if I wanted to, I could have did that in a minute. But I don't want to. No, I couldn't. I could do this in 2 minutes. Boy, I ain't looking forward to this. Whatever. Okay. Next up, we got a taco. Now this taco shell is cracked. Story of that is, I had 2 ranch taco shells left. I had 3 left. I cooked 2 of them. I burned them, okay? And the 3rd one was cracked. So we're gonna be delicate as we can with this. You hear me? Careful. While I was picking up the shell to put on this plate, it broke. But we're gonna make it do what it do. And then I gotta do it blindfolded. I'ma cheat. I'm finna cheat. I don't care. I'm finna cheat. I mean, I'ma hold my taco like this. And if I look, I don't care. I'm finna take that taco, I gotta take my shades off. Cause I'm sick of this. This was it 3 minutes? I ain't gonna use no sour cream. I got 3 ingredients. Plus the salsa. Ready, set, eat boogies. Oh no, I forgot the spoon. Oh, this is gonna be messy. I'm gonna let you know now. God dog it. You know, put some cheese on it. I don't care. Y'all just well, I got some words for her. Got thing cool, almost cursed bad. I feel like I just poured the whole thing of sauce on her. Ta-da. I know. I had like a minute and 20 seconds left. Okay. Now for the tomfoolery. Okay. Faith ate these earlier. She ate one of these earlier. I opened it. It came with 2 in the pack. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of these because the way she had it. Oh Lord. And I hope this thing recording right, because if it don't, that's it. You have to take my word for it that I did it. Side pickle balls. I don't like these balls. Why she couldn't pick Taco Bell balls? Them balls, they stink too. She right. Yeah, they stink. Faith said they stink. Oh my God. Boy, these things smell like booty hole, boy. God, dog. Okay. Faith! I'm gonna need some support. Faith, it's almost over with. Faith, this is that bad, for real.
Yes.
This is that bad.
Yes. I need to chew it.
Faith, here goes nothing.
You like pickles?
No! How I order my hamburger?
Pickles.
Huh?
Pickles.
I don't eat pickles on my hamburger.
Pickleless.
Oh, pickleless, yeah. Faith! It was that bad, Faith, for real. Count it down.
5,
Ooh, I can't curse.
4, 3,
Huh?
2,
Oh, shoot.
1.
Mm-hmm.
You can't eat it. Your whole mouth ain't green. Everything.
I don't know how Duke tastes.
Everything.
I don't know how Duke tastes, but I'm pretty sure that's the closest. That's the closest it's ever gonna. Okay. All right, Faith. I need you to come back and help me with the crickets. You can go. So easy, I'm gonna tell you right now. Your ass ain't safe nowhere. I'm tell you, I ain't never met you in person. And after this, I probably never will. Cause if I do, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. There's gonna be some threats. I'm just playing. Not really. I don't like them. I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you at all. Somebody laugh and joke all the time. I don't like them. How I open this? I'm sorry. That was a little borderline crazy here. But I'm sorry. Okay, now you gotta eat 2 shots. Is this a shot? Is this 1 shot or 2? We gonna see. Is it 1 shot or 2? She had 1, but this is like a big tall. Is this 1 shot or 2? Well, who am I asking? Huh? Boy, that's our pickleball. Booty hole. You with me? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that's a shot. Woo. It's too much going on. It's too much going on. It's too much going on here. I be damn. You tripping. Look at these damn roaches, man. I'm mad at my word, though. I'm really I'm the realest. Ain't seen nobody else do this. All in her comments on her video. I'm gonna try it. This good to try. This gonna be fun. Ain't nobody did it. Nobody. And if you know who had, you let me know. I feel like my transmission done slipped. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's not how, man, I gotta eat 3 crickets. I done lost. I'll be damn. I'm sorry. Oh, man. Oh, please share this video, too. You better share this video. Please, come on now. Even if you don't like it, you gotta share. I'm finna eat some roaches, man. Come on, man. Finna eat Pinocchio homeboy. Dang, I should have put this in the refrigerator. Cause it burned a hole in my chest. Cheers, like Billy D. Billy D. Williams say, cheers. Cool. 45. He dead? Is Billy D. Williams dead? Okay. Whoo. We talking about, God dog. We talking about, you right on time. Come on. I shut the door. Cause the freezer. We talking about eating stuff people use to catch fish. You don't see nobody eating earthworms, do you? What should I go with? Sour cream, salt and vinegar, or bacon and cheese?
Sour bacon and cheese.
Bacon and cheese? Why you pick bacon and cheese?
Sour cream. I hate salt and vinegar.
Huh?
I hate salt and vinegar. Crickets always.
Yeah, I ain't eating no salt and vinegar regardless. Bacon and cheese? Sour cream. Sour cream, fake.
Sour cream. Sour cream.
I don't know, fake. I don't know if I can do this.
Who gonna do that?
Huh?
Who gonna do that?
I don't know. What I'm gonna do, not what you gonna do, what I'm gonna do with it. My stomach hurts.
How many you gonna eat?
I said I gotta eat 3.
Catch two like this, two like this.
Faith. I don't know. You eat one with me?
No.
Man, you's a sucker. Oh no. You know what? I just got, you know what I'm saying? Fake these roaches, man.
Those are crazy.
I don't even. Do I like it? Do I like you? Do I want us to see this bad to be eaten? Hope this is a good lesson for you, Faith. Just never quit. Never quit, Faith. Why you looking at me like that? Man, here, hold one for me.
No.
Come on, Faith. Who just sit around and cook sour cream and onion crickets? Who do that? Huh?
I don't know. I don't know.
I can't wait to start my new job, cause
I still got a pulse.
I'm about to tell you two to go to poop. You hear me?
What if it's still alive?
Huh?
What if it's still alive? Just passed out.
I should have did this live.
Eat the rest.
I can't even hold them. I can't even hold them.
They real light, probably when you feel them.
Okay, I'm gonna put them right here. Oh, you got me. You got. This ain't worth it. Faye,
Sound like dry
just eat
cereal.
one with me.
Sound like dry cereal.
You look like something your mama cooked.
Cut one open.
Faye, I'm not gonna experiment on this. Cause if I see what's inside, I'm not gonna eat it.
Cut one open.
You cut one over.
Okay.
We got a whole bunch of crickets to eat here. You can't.
It's legs.
Don't tell me. Here you go. It's nothing. It's nothing. I'm finna do it.
One by one.
You shut your mouth. You ain't no rule maker.
And you gotta chew on sincerely.
Oh no! What the back of the box say? How were they pan roasted or something? Can't see nothing. 0.014 grams of sugar. Serving size 1.
Hold on.
Oh, you got me bent.
Hold on.
Contains milk. That's it, man. Here goes nothing, man. What I'm gonna do with the rest of these sour? I'm finna take them to work.
Why?
I don't know. You ready, Faith?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
I can't even pick them up.
You got chopsticks? Or a fork?
Oh! What the fuck?
Or a spoon?
Ah!
You got a spoon?
Here we go.
You
Faith.
got a spoon? Bruh. You can see your eyes.
Faith. I don't think I'm gonna do it. Fuck. Fuck. Faith. I guess I'm finna be a punk because I ain't finna eat these roaches. I'm not finna eat these roaches. Faith. Okay, here we go. No! I don't think I can do it, Faith. I don't think I can do it. I ate a lot of stuff on this YouTube streets, in these streets, but I don't think I can do it. You ready? You think I can do it?
Yes.
Do you think I can do it?
Yes.
You think I can do it? Here we go. Heck no. I'm glad you're here because I ain't cussing. How about the pass out? You want me to throw it? What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do with all these crickets, man?
I can take them to school. I can wreak havoc.
Oh my god. No, I got my limits. I'm done. So for ease, if I ever do a challenge and ain't nobody doing it, or if I ever do a challenge, you don't do it either, okay? I don't want you to do nothing. I want you to block me, okay? I don't want you to feel sorry for me or nothing. You just don't do it. Because, see, the thing is, she came out with a challenge with Debo Vibes and More Eats, and then she told me, nah, that wasn't my challenge, that was theirs. Because I was finna do that one. She said, nah, that wasn't my challenge, that was theirs. I got another challenge coming. Negro, well, you knew wasn't nobody gonna eat them crickets. But see, you knew I'm a man of my word. I want to say some mean stuff to you, baby. Glad my daughter is saving the verbal that's gonna come out my mouth as soon as she leave. But I'm finna go because I don't feel. Faye.
I dare you to eat this head right here.
I'm not eating that now.
Did it taste
It
sour?
done gave me a headache. I don't taste no sour cream. Oh my God. I just ate some roaches, ladies and gentlemen. Please share this video. Come on now, if y'all don't share this video, I'm done. We ain't kinfolk. I'm talking about everybody who look at it. Share the video. I love y'all. Without struggle, there's no victory. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share this video. And if I block you and it hurt your feelings because you didn't share my video, I don't care. Congratulations to Soulful Eats. I never want to see you again. I don't ever want to hear from you again. Do not ever do none of my challenges no more, because I damn sure ain't doing no more of yours. I'm sorry. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Stay kinfolk. Bussin'. 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 You got to trust the Coke Zero. You know what I'm talking about? Bussin'. Bussin'. Did it look bad when I gagged?
No. I was blinded by the tears.
Bussin'. 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 Say what up, kinfolk. Bussin'. Bussin'. It is what it is.